Have you ever been mid-measurement using your digital calipers and the next thing you know, the battery dies? Or maybe you splash something on there. You might be out working on your car trying to use it and some coolant or something splashes on there and ruins them. Well, I'm going to talk to you today about something that a lot of people own, maybe not use them regularly. And even if they do, there are some things about the cheaper calipers that you may not consider. And I wanted to talk to you about these right here, which are the Godeson IP54 rechargeable digital calipers. And stick around. I'm going to show you an unboxing, and I'm also going to show you how to use these and talk about their unique strengths. Thanks.
So, what comes inside the box? Well, you get a nice plastic case that holds the calipers, some instructions, a recharging cable, and of course the calipers themselves. And something you'll notice right off the bat is how nice they feel. There's some weight to them. There's a nice fine adjustment wheel. It's just really nice feeling right out of the case. One of the first things you'll notice besides the really nice build quality is the large LCD screen. It can be seen pretty much from any angle and any kind of light. The beam that the calipers slide upon, you can tell is machined or milled extremely well. It's very much resistance free when gliding back and forth. So I thought I'd show you how I use these with my 3D printing. I check it for tolerances mainly, designing, making sure that everything is going to properly fit together. But right here, I'm just measuring the circle, the inner circle, so that I can verify that it's going to fit the plate that I'm building for underneath it. So it's going to like fit directly into it. So what you do is you zero out your calipers to start, and then you can attach it like this and use the little thumb wheel to do some micro adjustments. And I am using the lock to lock it down after I pulled it off. Typically, you'd want to do that before you pull it off, but I wanted to show you here how you can look at it in millimeters, inches, which is 20 or 2.6 inches. And then you can also see it in fractions if you're into that. Also wanted to show you this dual bracket that I created for some cameras and show you how you can use these calipers in different ways. This is just measuring the depth of the device. I'll typically measure and make sure that it's within tolerance on both sides. And then I'm also going to show you how you can use the other side of the calipers to measure the inside diameters of very small or large. It's like these are screw holes. So as you can see here, I'm measuring the inside and it's only 2.3 millimeters. And just for the heck of it, I decided to show you something that's very common, which is a 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch headphone adapter. And these are 1/4 inch. So I wanted to show you here, it's 2.248. And just to show you the accuracy and repeatability, I've done it twice. And as you see here, comes up exactly the same. So you can see it's repeatable. The calipers are very, very accurate from measurement to measurement.
So what do I think about the Godeson IP54 rechargeable digital calipers? I really like them. They are definitely the best calipers I've ever owned, and I've owned quite a few pair, but mine have always been the cheap plastic kind that easily break, for one thing. They warp. The batteries in them are usually watch batteries that are dead half the time I need them. I reach down to use them and they've been sitting in the drawer for a while. Battery's dead. These are rechargeable. These are made of really nice milled stainless steel. They have a very large display that can be seen from any angle, any kind of lighting. They're really nice in that regard. They feel extremely premium. They have a lot good weight to them. And I just can't say enough good things about them. This will probably be the last pair I ever own. Um, I just can't see myself needing to spend the significant money on on the real high end versions of these types of tools. This will do everything I need it to do, and I think it will do really well for the typical home user, maybe designer like me. I create 3D prints. This, as I showed you in the demos, and this is great for prototyping, being able to print my 3D prints out, pull them off the printer, check the tolerances. I mean, there's just so many good uses for these. And these from Godeson, the IP54, which is splash proof. That's what that means, by the way. And it, you can't submerge them. They're not meant for that, but they're meant for to be, if they're splashed with something from, pretty much any angle. That's what IP54 means. It can withstand, a moderate amount of water, but you just don't want to go dunking them. But as I mentioned, these are just so well made, and I just really appreciate them sending them out to me. So if you're in the market or for some calipers, or you might want to upgrade your cheap plastic ones. I mean, who wants to have a precision tool made of plastic that's, plastic gets dented and nicked and all those type of things. And there's just, when you set them down, you might step on them and break them. If you're looking for a nice upgrade, I really do highly recommend these. So take a look. Thanks.